UBOS had to pull down the report from their website. Yeah, over contradicting figures that were released, because they wrongly showed that the population of the Acholi had dropped from 2,131,443 to 1.9 million people. The Bagisu also were saying, but these figures, how can they say we've dropped from 2,390,000 to 2,096,000? So it means more than 300,000 Bagisu have died. We have not produced anything. It doesn't make sense. You understand what I'm saying? Page 4 and 5 details of this story, and what we've done, we've put the last report of 2014 and the current report. Yeah, businesses, especially if you sell, say, fast moving goods, please, this is the opportunity for you to get these figures. Anyway, anyone in business, you need to understand, because now the demographics have changed. There are more younger people. Yeah, government also expanded the bracket for employed people. What it means to be gainfully employed. They had to stretch the number lower. Before it was 18. It was assumed it was 18. Now it's at 14, because there are children that are working to get money now. So your product stretches as low as 14 years old, because those kids are employed. Wow. Yeah, some of the regions with the most unemployed youth are also named.